Hi children, today we will continue with the same chapter, that is fractions, but I will give you the new topic, finding equivalent fractions. I told you before, right, equivalent fraction is very important in 5th standard, right. We need to study more about equivalent fractions. Then first, finding equivalent fractions, right. There are two methods for finding equivalent fractions. First method is we can find the equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Is it clear? We need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. You will get what? Equivalent fraction of that fraction. I will give you one example. Find the equivalent fraction of 7 by 8. Okay. I will give. What's the condition there? We need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Any number, right? You can multiply you can multiply by any number, but one condition is same number only by numerator and denominator also. Here I simply take 3. 8 into 3. Answer is 21 by 24. See, 21 by 24 is one equivalent fraction of which fraction only children? 7 by 8. How did I get this? And I multiplied the numerator and denominator by the same number. I got the equivalent fraction, right? Method 2 is, that is, we can also find the equivalent fractions by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. First we check it with the, first we studied what only? Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Here one more method is there, that we can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number also. Here I will give you one example, that we need to find the equivalent fraction of 6 by 9. You can divide by the common factor. Then only we can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Which one is the common factor? We can divide the numerator and denominator. And 6 by 3, is it possible children? 3. And 9 by 3 also. Answer is what? 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 is one of the equivalent fraction of 6 by 9. Is it clear? How did we get this? We get it by the method 2 only, right? Okay. And method 2, that is division only. Method 1 was multiplication only. Is it? You can do it in any method. Okay. In the next one is, I will give you some exercise problems. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Each of these two get an equivalent fraction. Is it? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is our number, right? Multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Same number only, right? That was the method 1. But here they are given this number only in the question. Then we don't want to take any other number. We need to multiply by which number only? 3 in the question, right? We need to multiply by 3 only. There is no other option. 4 into also 3. And 3 by 12. And here also second one, 3 into 3 divided by 5 into 3. Answer is what? 9 by 15. And next one, 1 into 3. Next question, 6 into 3. Answer is what? 3 by 18. See, 1 by 4. The equivalent fraction of 1 by 4 is 3 by 12. And 3 by 5. Equivalent fraction is 9 by 15. 1 by 6. Equivalent fraction is 3 by 18. We can multiply by the numerator and denominator by the same number. You can multiply by any number. But here they are given in the question 3 only, right? So we need to take only 3. That is in the question. Okay. And question number D, E and F. That is your homework. And here also you need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 only. You will get the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. That you can do it at home, right? Is it? Next one. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, 3 and 4. In each of these two get an equivalent fraction. The last problem we need to multiply only by 3. We got one equivalent fraction only. Here we need to find 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. How? First we need to multiply by 2 and after that we need to multiply by 3. After that we need to multiply by 4. Okay. 1 by 5. First I need to multiply by 2. Here also 2. Second I need to multiply this fraction only 1 by 5 only by 3. 1 into 3 divided by 5 into 3. Next I need to multiply by 4. 1 into 4 divided by 5 into 4. Then I got 3 fractions. You know what are they? Okay, that I can write it here. It is, I put one arrow like this. Then tell me, multiply and tell me. 1 by 5 equals, which are the answers you got? 2 ones are 2 and 5 twos are 10. Next one is 3 ones are 3, 5 threes are 15. Next one is 4 by 20. We got 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. Is it? Next one is 1 by 4. Here also we need to multiply by 2. And here we are next we need to multiply by 3. 4 into 3. Then 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 4. Answer is what? 1 twos are what? 2. 2 divided by 8 equals, I will start it with that question only, right? And which fraction given in the question? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 equals 2 by 8 equals 3 by 12 equals 4 by 16. See children, I got 3 more equivalent fractions of 1 by 4. And you know how did we get it like that? We multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 by numerator and denominator. You got the equivalent fractions. And next one more question is there. 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2. One thing you need to remember, you need to multiply by this fraction only. Is it? And 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 3. 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. And answer is what? You tell me. 2 by 3 equals, which are the fractions you got? 4 by 6 equals 6 by 9 equals 8 by 12. See children, the 2 by, which are the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3? Now I got 3 more equivalent fractions. What are they? 2 twos are 4, 4 by 6. Then 2 threes are 6, 6 by 9. Then 2 fours are 8, 8 by 12. See, you can also do it at home like this, right? I will give you some homework questions. That is question number D and E. Textbook page number 81. Is it clear? Okay. Then next one is divide by a common factor. That is which method only? Method 2. Method 1 was finished in the last problems only, right? But here we need to use which method? Method 2. That is division method, right? Here I need to multiply by the common factor. 6 by 24 is my number. Common factor is what? I can divide by 6, right? 24 also. Then I will get what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is one equivalent fraction of 6 by 24, right? Is it clear children? Then next one, 14 by 49. Which one is the common factor for dividing 14 and 49? Is it 7? You should learn multiplication table, otherwise you can't do anything. 14 by 7 divided by 49 by 7. Answer is what? 2 by 7. Okay. And the next is what? 28 by 32. Common factor is what? 4. Is it correct? 4 7s are 28. Then 4 8s are 32. 28 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4. Answer is 7 by 8. Is it? Then 10 by 30. That is your homework. 17 by 34. And 88 by 120, that I will give it in the class, bigger number only, right? 88 by 120, which one is the common number? 4, is it correct? Shall I? 88 divided by 4, that is 22, and here is 4 3s 30 only, right? Is it? I can divide by 4. That I will write which number. 88 divided by 4 divided denominator 120 divided by 4. You will get 22 by 30. Thank you, children.